Well, hello everybody. This is an update on Romeo and the coughing situation. Romeo, you want a cookie? He hasn't coughed for about a month. That's really good news. But he's all hopped up on testosterone and stupidity right now. So you can see what a beautiful boy he is. He's very mad at his full brother gelding. Oh man, it's just testosterone insanity around here right now. But he's gorgeous. See, I wasn't lying to you. He's the first one to shed. Victory. Anyway, they're all being bad-mannered punks. They all need big weapons, let me tell you. Romeo! Romeo, where are you, sir? Anyway, no coughing whatsoever. Grass heals. Heals what else, yeah. Like, I wanted to see your buttocks, mister. Okay, you want this? I know he wants this. But anyway, hi, Victor, you little crazed bum. I'm not lying to you. They look amazing when they're shed. They just look like ragamuffins when they aren't. Look at you all camped out under yourself. He's very hopped up on anger towards Guy right now. It's kind of a bad situation with Guy, and then there's that little monster. And they're ready to go out and have their evening grass. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. See, he's got too much testosterone too. Time to geld somebody, I guess. Victory, get down. Oh man, it is a madhouse. Here you go, buddy. Oh, it's just too good. I'm not gonna give you one single one. You're just bad. Okay. So anyway. Hello, friend. Go away, sheep. Okay, Romy. Your son is a little turd. Oh, I know, you beauteous boy. Don't stand all camped under yourself. Your boy got you all dirty. Oh no. I need to wipe you with my tears. Well, hello. He's all snuggling up against me. Anyway, beautiful boy, all shed, all nuts. Don't stand like that, Romy. Don't do it. Oh, pretty boy, pretty boy. All right, you ready to go outside and play? Jesus loves you.